Hey everyone, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing some coils in my hair. I'm going to be using a comb and I'm just going to be using some gel. I'm going to show you how I do my coils and what they look like on short hair. I know I've done coils before when my hair was longer, but I'm going to attempt to do it on shorter hair this time. So if you're interested in seeing how I do the coils, definitely stay tuned. But before I get into the video, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up to let me know that you like content like this. And definitely keep in contact with me on all my social media accounts. Alright, so let's get into the video. Okay, so my hair is washed. I've already put my leave-in conditioner in and my oil. I picked my hair out, so I have a mini little fro. And now I'm just going to attempt to do the coils. I'm going to be using a rat tail comb. It's one of these combs. And my gel, the gel of choice is Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm not going to do it very neat. I'm literally just taking pieces of hair and just coiling it. Apply the gel. So we're starting from the base, so we just put the comb through and then we twirl, 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 and pull. The one thing about this style is that it's so easy to do, but it is extremely time consuming. If you have the patience, then go ahead and do it. If you don't, then you might want to skip this style. Hope you guys can see. If your hair is a little longer than mine, then this will probably work out a little better for you. But since my hair is super short, I'm not really sure what it's going to look like when I'm done. So these are my results. Personally, I think they're really cute. It's a different style, it's a different look. You can jazz it up, wear some big earrings, you can put on some bold lipstick. I mean, put on some cute outfits. Just jazz it up, work the style, be creative. If you try it and you don't like it, then it is what it is. If the only reason why you don't like it is because other people don't like it, that's not a good reason. You know, if you like it, then wear it and be confident in wearing it. If you genuinely don't like it, then go ahead and wash that thing out and come up with a different style. It's just that simple. You know what I mean? Like, don't overcomplicate it. So me personally, I think this is cute. The only thing is I feel like it would be better if my hair was longer. It definitely would be you know, easier to coil and actually like wrap around. Your girl is struggling because, you know, I barely have any hair on my head, but I still think it came out cute. So what I'm going to do now is just allow it to dry. Once it's fully dry, I'll take some pictures for you and either insert it in this video or on my Instagram. So make sure you're following me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.